The Gotham Steel STACKMASTER Pots Stackable 10-piece cookware set is a game-changer in the kitchen. It helps save space and time. The set includes different-sized fry pans and pots. These are coated with an ultra-nonstick cast texture. This means your food won't stick easily. Cleaning up is a breeze. And you will spend less time scrubbing. The red color adds a pop to your kitchen. This Gotham Steel STACKMASTER Pots Stackable 10 set is a great advantage for small kitchens. The non-stick coating on this Gotham Steel STACKMASTER Pots Stackable 10 set is like magic. Food slides right off, and omelets turn out perfectly every time. You might even find you need less oil when cooking. This is a big plus for healthier meals. The set is also designed to stack neatly. This feature saves valuable cabinet space. No more digging through a jumbled mess of pots and pans. Rubber pads between the pieces help prevent scratches during storage. If you are looking for a reliable and space-saving cookware set, this is it. The Gotham Steel STACKMASTER Pots Stackable 10 offers good value. It makes cooking easier and cleanup faster. While it doesn't come with spoons or a care video, the non-stick surface is easy to maintain. Many users report the coating lasts for many days with proper care. This set could be a great replacement for your old, worn-out cookware. Pros: space-saving design, ultra-non-stick surface, easy 1-2-3 cleanup, dishwasher safe, durable coating, metal utensil safe, interchangeable lids. Oven safe up to 550 degrees F, induction capable, stay cool handles, PTFE, PFOA, PFOS free, complete 10-piece set. Cons: may stick with eggs, handles can get hot, coating may degrade, uneven heating possible, lids trap water, not induction ready, questionable durability, false advertising claims, customer service issues, packaging can be poor. Features: ultra non-stick, cast texture coat, durable, metal utensil safe, dishwasher safe, includes fry pans, red colored 10-piece set. This Gotham Steel STACKMASTER 10-piece cookware set in red has a special non-stick coating with a cast texture, so food does not stick easily. The set is made to be strong and can handle metal kitchen tools. You can also put these pots and pans in the dishwasher to clean them. This set comes with different sized fry pans and is designed to stack neatly to save space in your kitchen. This Gotham Steel STACKMASTER 10-piece cookware set is designed to save space with its stackable feature and has an ultra non-stick surface for easy cooking and 1-2-3 cleanup. Plus it's dishwasher safe and metal utensil safe. The set includes fry pans and has interchangeable lids, stay cool handles, and a durable coating that is also free of PTFE, PFOA, and PFOS. It is oven safe up to 550 degrees F and can be used on induction cooktops. However, some users have noted that eggs may stick, handles can get hot, the coating might degrade over time, uneven heating is possible, lids can trap water, it may not be truly induction ready, and there are concerns about durability, potential false advertising, customer service issues, and poor packaging.